Hey there folks, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and get ready to dive into the world of crypto. Today, we're breaking down a key concept for all you crypto rookies out there, spot trading. Now, if you're scratching your head wondering what that even means, don't sweat it. By the end of this video, you'll be a spot trading pro. So, let's get right into it. Spot trading is one of the most straightforward ways to trade cryptocurrencies. Think of it like this. When you spot trade, you're buying and selling crypto at its current market price. Imagine you're at a farmer's market, you see some juicy apples, you hand over your cash, and you get your apples right away. That's essentially spot trading. In the world of crypto, it's just as simple. You see Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other digital asset you're interested in. You buy it at the current price and boom, it's yours. No waiting around, no complicated contracts, just a straightforward exchange. But here's the kicker. Spot trading isn't just about buying, it's also about selling. If you think the price of Bitcoin is going to drop, you can sell your Bitcoin at the current market price and buy it back later at a lower price. The difference, that's your profit. Now, you might be wondering, where do you actually do this spot trading? Great question. You'll need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. Some of the popular ones include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. These platforms let you buy and sell a wide range of cryptocurrencies easily. When you log into an exchange, you'll see a spot market where you can place your orders. There are two main types of orders you can place: market orders and limit orders. A market order means you're buying or selling at the best current price. It's quick, but you might not always get the exact price you hoped for. On the other hand, a limit order lets you set a specific price. The trade only happens when the market reaches that price. Alright, let's recap. Spot trading is buying and selling crypto at its current market price. It's straightforward and happens instantly. You'll use an exchange like Binance or Coinbase to do this, and you can place market or limit orders based on your strategy. So there you have it. Spot trading in a nutshell. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. Until next time, happy trading.